Sagutan natin tong problem. Solve the differential equation 2 times quantity y minus 4x squared dx plus x dy equals 0. So, pwede natin tong actually i-transform into linear differential equation. So, ano bang itsura ng linear differential equation? So, that is given by dy over dx plus p of x times y equals q of x. So, linear in dependent variable y. So, paano matransform yan dito? So, kailangan makuha natin si dy over dx free from coefficient. So, ang gagawin ko is i-multiply ko both sides by, so aalisin ko yung coefficient ni dy na x, mag-multiply ako ng 1 over x. Tapos, kailangan may over dx siya. So, mag-multiply din ako ng 1 over dx. So, multiplying both sides by 1 over x dx, distribute. So, dito sa first term, makakancel nyo lang si dx. So, matitira is 2 times the quantity y minus 4x squared over x. Okay? Tapos, plus, so x dy times 1 over x dx. So, makakancel nyo naman si x. Ang matitira is dy over dx equals, so 1 over x dx times 0, 0 pa rin. Sige, rearrange lang natin. Una kong isulat si dy over dx, then plus, so pwede nyo i-distribute dito si 2, magiging 2y minus 8x squared over x equals 0. Tapos, i-distribute nyo yung x sa denominator. Divide nyo each term on the numerator by x. So, magiging dy over dx plus 2y over x or 2 over xy. Then, minus 8x squared over x. So, makakancel si x. Meron ka na lang 8x to the first equal 0. So, transpose nyo lang tong negative 8x sa right side. Magiging dy over dx plus 2 over xy equals positive 8x. So, na-transform natin into linear DE. Bale, we have dy over dx plus p of x times y equals q of x. So, kung ipapattern natin sa linear form ng DE yung given, bale, yung magiging p of x natin is yung function of x na nakamultiply kay y, which is itong 2 over x. Tapos yung q of x natin is yung function of x sa right side, which is 8x. Ngayon, paano ba isolve yung linear DE? Hahanapin natin yung integrating factor. Let's denote by IF na lang for short. So, ang formula natin for integrating factor IF is e raised to the integral of p of x dx. So, pag pinakin natin yung value ng p of x, we will have e raised to integral ng 2 over x dx. Bale, magiging e raised to, so pwede nyong igilid yung 2 constant, times integral ng 1 over x dx. So, bali, e raised to 2, integral ng 1 over x dx. We know that's equal to ln of x. So, applying property ng logarithm, etong 2 na to, pwede nyo maging exponent nung x sa loob ng ln. So, magiging e raised to ln of x squared. Okay? Tapos, by property uli ng ln tsaka exponent, makakancel tong e raised to ln. Matitira is yung nasa loob ng ln expression, which is absolute value of x squared. Ngayon, pwede nyo namang i-disregard yung absolute value. Magiging simply x squared na lang. Yan yung integrating factor. So, para ma-solve natin yung DE, apply natin yung general solution. Okay, palaging ganito yung form niya. Yung dependent variable natin, which is y, right? Times the integrating factor equal to the q of x times the integrating factor dx plus c. So, i-plug in na lang natin yung value ng integrating factor na nakuha. So, value y times if x squared equals integral ng No need na tong parenthesis, sorry. So, yx squared equals integral ng q of x. Ano yung q of x? 8x. Times integrating factor, x squared, dx plus c. So, meron tayong yx squared equal to the integral of itong 8, gilid nyo, constant. So, 8 integral ng x times x squared, x cubed, dx plus c. So, we have 8 integral ng x cubed dx, power rule, x to the 4th over 4 plus c. Or 8 divided by 4, that's 2x to the 4th plus c. Tapos baba pa natin tong y times x squared, I mean. So, meron tayong general solution na yx squared is equal to 2x to the 4th plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, kayo naman. Try to solve this differential equation dy over dx plus y is equal to x and just comment your answers.